Next, the procedure to dismantle the starting air valve. First, remove the cover and pull out the starting air valve. Dismantle it, clean all parts, and reassemble it. Then grease the starting valve. Insert the spring, the piston, tighten the nut and divide the split pin carefully. The split pin is made of stainless steel. During reassembly, be sure to change the O-rings and packing. Grease them before reassembly. Then tighten the bolts to the prescribed torque.